guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Janelle, and today I have a video for you that is all about how to preserve and freeze your bananas. The reason why a lot of people tend to not keep all their bananas and use them up is because they bought too many and they didn't get through them in time before they start to go brown, a little spotty, a little soft and squishy, and so they get wasted, they get tossed, and that makes me sad because one, that could have been prevented if they had known how to properly preserve them, and two, even if you have spotty brown bananas, you can still use them. So I made this video to show you guys how to freeze your bananas 3 different ways to help you preserve food, save your money, and make sure that you're using up all of your fresh bananas before they go bad. So this method is definitely the most simple and straightforward, and that is just by freezing your bananas whole. This method is ideal if you're short on time and don't want to do any peeling and chopping, and to use them from frozen, you can simply let them thaw out and squeeze out the banana mush, because that's pretty much what it will be, and use it for things like banana bread or muffins. The next method is to simply peel your bananas and freeze them whole, or you can cut them in half. You'll want to lay them out on a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone liner just so they don't stick too much. Once they've frozen after about 2 to 3 hours, you can store them in an airtight container or a resealable bag, and they're also very easy to chop into smaller pieces from frozen as well. This method is ideal if you're going to be freezing a bunch of them at once and don't feel like doing much more prep than just popping them on a tray. The last method for freezing bananas involves slightly more prep work than the last two, but is still incredibly simple and really doesn't take much time out of your day. All you're gonna do is take 3 to 4 peeled bananas and lay them side by side on a cutting board and slice them into chunks like you see here. I always try to slice as many bananas at once as it saves time and is just the most efficient way to do it. Then you're gonna grab a parchment or silicone mat lined baking tray and simply spread out the banana chunks in a single layer. I try to ensure that not too many of them are touching, just so they don't freeze together in large clumps, which ends up making them somewhat harder to break apart or blend in smoothies. Depending on the size of your baking tray, you should be able to fit anywhere from 6 to 9 sliced bananas per tray. Once they've mostly frozen after a few hours, you can transfer them to an airtight container like you see here, or a resealable bag. Having frozen bananas on hand has not only been such a time saver when I'm making smoothies or banana and ice cream, but has saved so many of my overripe bananas from being wasted. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful, and I hope that you're going to implement this new skill that you've learned next time you find yourself with an abundance of bananas and you don't want them to go to waste. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of other delicious recipes and tips and tricks on eating a vegan, plant-based lifestyle, and I also have another video on how to make your own banana and ice cream. You're definitely not gonna wanna miss that one. It's a perfect video to watch after this one, now that you know how to freeze your own bananas. And then the next one is how you can use your frozen bananas and make yourself a delicious frozen summer treat. So watch it and let me know what you think. If you have any other questions or comments about this video, or if there's any other kinds of videos you want to see on my channel, let me know. I would love to hear what you have to say. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye!